In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. Trello is a visual tool that helps you organize work into boards, lists, and cards. We'll start from a fresh visit to the site and build a project board using a ready-made template so you can get up and running quickly. Begin by heading to Trello.com in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the templates option in the top navigation. Templates are pre-built boards designed for common workflows, and they save you time by giving you a solid structure to start with. Click Templates, and in the search bar on the Templates page, type the word Project. This narrows down the gallery to options tailored for planning, tracking tasks, and coordinating teams. You'll see a range of approaches, but we're interested in project-focused layouts. From the results, select the project management category. This filters the templates to those that make it easy to map out work from idea to completion. Many of these follow a Kanban style flow, which is perfect for visualizing tasks as they move through stages like to do, doing, and done. Choose a Kanban project management template, then click Use Template. This tells Trello to create a copy of that board in your account so you can customize it. Using a template ensures you start with sensible lists and sample cards rather than a blank slate. You'll now be prompted to name your board. Type a clear, specific title that your team will recognize. A helpful convention is something like Client X Website Redesign Q1 or Marketing Launch May. Descriptive names make boards easy to find later and reduce confusion if you manage multiple projects at once. Next, select a workspace for the board. A workspace is simply the home for related boards and the people who use them. Pick the workspace where your project collaborators already are, so they can access the board without extra steps. If you use multiple workspaces, double-check you've chosen the right one to keep permissions and visibility consistent. When you're ready, click Create. Trello will spin up your new board using the template you selected. You'll see pre-made lists and sample cards that demonstrate best practices. Consider these a starting point. You can rename lists, delete example cards, and add your own tasks and labels as you go. The template structure is there to guide you so you can focus on planning the work rather than designing the system. That's it. Your project management board is created and ready to use. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your projects with Trello.